I have a pro membership, so I don't need to be concerned about video length, but I believe if you're using the free version of InShot, you can add captions to a video that is up to 1 minute long. This video is a little bit longer, so in order to generate auto captions for longer videos, you'll need to have a pro membership, but the process is still the same. Tap on auto captions, choose your caption style. I'm going to use this style here. Your captions will be adjusted based on the aspect ratio that you have set. Just tap start, wait patiently for the captions to be generated. Once the process is finished, the captions will appear on screen as pieces of text and you can edit them. Tap on the check mark. The captions are usually placed at the bottom of your video, but since I'm working with an iPhone, I need to have access to the bottom of the video so that you can see the steps that I'm doing clearly. Tap on text one more time and just select the first caption. You can move the caption up or down so that you can still see the captions clearly, and you can easily follow the step-by-step process shown in the video. By placing the captions on top of the photo, I've made sure that the editing panel on my iPhone is not blocked. Tap the check mark. Before you export, you should review your captions to make sure they say what you want them to say. Go ahead and export the video. Here's another great tip. If you use Apple Photos on your iPhone, you can remove objects from the background of photos, just like you can remove people. The process is essentially the same. Find the photo you want to edit, tap edit, then tap cleanup, and wait for your iPhone to select objects that you can remove from the photo. Tap the selected objects and they will be removed. You'll notice that there are two TVs behind my subject. In the past, you would have had to cover these up using the markup options, but using Apple Intelligence, you can remove the TVs from the picture. With cleanup still selected, just move your finger over the object that you want to remove. Eventually the object will be highlighted by your iPhone or other iOS device running Apple Intelligence, and it will be removed. If it doesn't do the job properly, you can tap the undo button up here and it will undo. Then you can repeat the process and your iOS device will do its best using Apple Intelligence to remove those objects. When you're done, tap done, and this photo is now ready to be posted online. Photo cleanup is not perfect, but it does a pretty good job.